What's up, people? Welcome to my vlog. And today is Sunday.
Me and my dad started to buy going for the meat shop to buy mutton. See the roads. It's very horrible. And today its weather is so cool. And it is drizzling now. And we are going to buy mutton after a long time. It's so cool and it is drizzling also. From the morning 5 o'clock it's raining and now the time is 6:45 a.m. in the morning and you can see the environment is so and here wow you can see the crowd. Jam-packed. No one is wearing the mask. Okay, one, two persons. Actually, no one is following social distancing here. And I am already wearing mask. You can see here. Sunday. If Sunday comes in everywhere, see how is. Mom called me down and she told me to bring things back. My mom prefers only Karimnagar dairy milk, so we have come here Karimnagar dairy milk. Let's go to home now. And now we have to taste after washing hands only. And the first round I have washed it, and this is the second time my mother is washing. She is helping me, and I am helping too. And this is the second time we are washing the meat. First time we have washed with salt water, and we are second time we are washing with normal water. We should wash it thoroughly, neatly. Why? Because you can see now COVID situation. And today we are going to prepare the desi style, Indian style, typical Indian style mutton curry, just with only simple ingredients. First, we need to add turmeric powder, paspu, about half of teaspoon, and next chili powder according to the taste, because some may eat more, some may eat less spicy. So according to our taste, we are adding chili powder. And this is 1 kg of meat, and after that we are adding salt of about according to taste. and we are going to add in the curry also while preparing, and 1 scoop of oil and mix it well with the hand. My mother is habituated. After washing we need to thoroughly wash with soap, otherwise we are going to die without washing. Mix well so that the every piece should be coated nicely. After that you keep remember wash with soap. Mix well so that the every piece should be coated properly, and marinate about of 2 hours. Keep it aside. And add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Because my mother prefers only with mixing with hand, pakka desi style. After that, homemade garam masala, so aromatic. By adding garam masala only, the smell changes totally. After that, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Don't add too much of oil. And 1 onion, 1 sliced onion, and 3 green chilies. And add 3 green chilies. Don't add too much of oil because while cooking mutton, add some kasuri methi. While adding kasuri methi, the smell changes automatically. It gets so aromatic. Stay safe. While doing this is the best simple recipe with only just few ingredients. 1 onion, 1 red, add some salt because it's help to turn brown fastly, and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix thoroughly until and add pinch of turmeric powder and next add the marinated meat, that is mutton. With the help of only 4 to 5 ingredients, that is 1 onion, 3 chilies, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, oil, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder. That's mix it well. Mix it well thoroughly and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, open the lid and add 1 tomato, and then mix again and again, rest it for 5 more minutes, and then add homemade garam masala, so aromatic. After that, again mix it well. And wait for 20 minutes and then add
किती
coriander.
विजिल्स येते तेव्हा?
6.
And mix it well again. After 20 minutes, you can see the soup according to the curry. It is total of 1 kg. According to that, add some water for the soup. If needed, add little more water. See that the meat should be immersed in water. And close the lid tightly and then put whistle of the pressure cooker and wait until 7 whistles to cook nicely. Wait for 7 whistles. After that, you can see the curry is ready and it's time for serving. Wow, it's so amazing. The smell is awesome. Just go and try and let it know in the comment section. And serve with chapati, right?